Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on WTI Crude Oil. Let's start with some fundamental background first. The OPEC Plus seems to be intention to maintain oil prices above the 70 mark, but even with the Saudi Arabia additional voluntary production cut of 1 million barrels per day and the other members of OPEC Plus extended their production cuts throughout the 2024, oil prices keep falling. While the OPEC Plus supply cuts may generate short-term spikes, it looks more and more evident that we are in a recessionary cycle and the demand side is influencing heavily the oil market. The last surprising production cut back in April was completely faded, and prices tumbled from the 83 high to 64 support. Now the production cut in June was again faded and prices fell to 67 from its 75 high. We are likely to see the oil market range maintaining a bearish bias with some short-term bullish moves caused by OPEC Plus cuts and maybe even from the rate cuts in China. It's a tough market to trade at the moment indeed. On the daily chart, we can see that crude oil basically ranges in lower and lower levels. First, it was around the 90 level, then now around the 80 level, and now around the 70. JP Plus seems to do a good job in limiting the downside for the oil prices, as we may have witnessed much lower prices if it wasn't for the production cuts. The level to watch now is the 75 level, as a break above may trigger a bigger rally towards the 82 resistance. On the downside, a break below the 64 level would spell trouble for the oil market, and we could see a quick fall into the 57 level. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that the price has recently bounced from 67 here and is now looking at the 74 resistance zone. The speculation of more expansionary monetary policy from China may give the oil prices a boost in the short term, as Chinese policymakers are trying to bolster demand. If we keep seeing worse employment data in the US, though, the prices should continue to fall. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that we have a support to resistance zone at the 70 level, where we can also find the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. The buyers are likely to pile in if the price breaks above the level and target the 74 resistance. The sellers, on the other hand, should lean on this level, looking for another fall into the 67 low and eventually target a breakout here.